For decades, people have followed the same advice about nutrition. Eat certain foods, avoid others, follow the newest trending diet. But one major question has always remained. Why do some diets work well for certain people while others see little results? The answer may lie in genetics. A new field called DNA nutrition is gaining attention as scientists explore how a person's genetic code can influence how their body processes food. Your DNA contains the instructions that guide many biological functions inside the body. These instructions influence metabolism, nutrient absorption, inflammation responses, and even how the body reacts to certain medications. Because of these differences, two people can eat the same meal but respond very differently. One person may process carbohydrates efficiently, while another may experience higher blood sugar spikes. Another individual may absorb certain vitamins more effectively, while someone else may require higher intake levels. This idea has led researchers to study how genetic testing could help personalize nutrition. DNA nutrition focuses on analyzing specific genetic markers related to metabolism and nutrient pathways. Some modern DNA tests allow individuals to collect a saliva sample at home. The sample is then analyzed in a laboratory to examine certain genetic variations. The goal is not to predict the future, but to provide information about how the body may interact with nutrients. For example, some people carry genetic variants that affect how they metabolize caffeine. These individuals may process caffeine slowly, meaning caffeine remains in their system longer, and may influence sleep or heart rate more strongly. Other people carry variants affecting how they absorb vitamins, such as vitamin D or B vitamins. Understanding these differences may help guide personalized nutrition choices. Another area gaining attention is genome sequencing. Genome sequencing involves analyzing a person's genetic code to understand variations in DNA. One approach used in research is called shotgun genome sequencing. This method breaks DNA into small fragments and analyzes them to reconstruct the genetic sequence. Researchers use this method to study genetic variation, microbial ecosystems, and biological pathways. As sequencing technology becomes more advanced, scientists are exploring how genetic data may help identify patterns related to metabolism and nutrient processing. Another important factor is inflammation. Inflammation is a natural biological response, but chronic inflammation may influence several aspects of health. Researchers are studying how genetic differences may influence inflammatory responses to certain foods. Some people may have genetic variants that influence how their body reacts to certain dietary components. This does not mean specific foods are universally harmful. Instead, it highlights how individual responses may vary. The growing interest in personalized nutrition reflects a broader shift in medicine. Instead of applying the same recommendations to everyone, scientists are exploring ways to tailor health strategies to each individual. This approach is sometimes referred to as precision nutrition or personalized medicine. However, it is important to understand the current limitations. DNA testing can provide interesting insights, but it does not replace medical advice or comprehensive health evaluations. Genetics is only one piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle factors such as sleep, physical activity, stress management, and overall diet quality remain extremely important. Genetic testing may provide additional information that helps guide decisions, but it should be combined with other health data. As technology advances, researchers hope personalized nutrition may become more accurate and accessible. Understanding how genes interact with nutrients could help people make more informed decisions about diet, supplementation, and overall health strategies. While the field is still evolving, one thing is becoming clear. Nutrition may not be one size fits all. Your body's unique biology may influence which foods support your health most effectively. The future of nutrition may involve understanding your body at a deeper biological level,